Welcome to our dishwasher showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular models, the BLACK+DECKER 24-inch built-in dishwasher and the Midea MDC22P1ABB countertop dishwasher. We'll dive into their features, including capacity, wash programs, and price. Whether you're looking for a powerful built-in option for your family or a compact solution for your apartment, we've got you covered. Let's get started. The BLACK+DECKER dishwasher boasts a generous capacity of 12 place settings, making it an ideal choice for larger families or those who entertain frequently. In contrast, the Midea model offers a more compact design with a capacity of 6 place settings, perfect for smaller households or limited kitchen space. This significant difference in capacity is crucial for potential buyers to consider based on their needs. When it comes to wash programs, the BLACK+DECKER model features 6 different options, including heavy, normal, and eco settings. Meanwhile, the Midea dishwasher offers a total of 8 wash programs, including unique settings like baby care and mini party, catering to a wider variety of cleaning needs. This versatility can be a deciding factor for users with specific washing requirements. Price is always a significant consideration. The BLACK+DECKER dishwasher comes in at a premium price of $999, reflecting its larger capacity and built-in design. On the other hand, the Midea countertop dishwasher is much more affordable at $329, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers or those looking for a portable solution. This price difference highlights the value proposition of each model. In conclusion, both dishwashers have their strengths and weaknesses. The BLACK+DECKER is perfect for larger households needing more capacity, while the Midea is ideal for smaller spaces and budgets. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.